Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to be going through a video series for Evoque motorcycles, and our topic today is state of charge, or SOC. In our first part, we're going to be talking about an explanation of what SOC is, or state of charge. In actuality, it's a very simple calculation where you're taking your remaining capacity, dividing it by your total capacity of the battery pack, and then utilizing that in a percentage format. It's the best and most easiest way to understand how much range or how much cycle left you have in your battery pack. Our next topic is going to be how we calculate the state of charge. Here at Evoque Motorcycles, we use what is called COULOMB counting. And what that means is effectively you are taking itty-bitty snapshots of every millisecond or 100 milliseconds at one point in time. From there, we calculate how much energy is being utilized within that time frame and then add them all up together. So over a long period of time, you can actually calculate a general idea of how much capacity has been used during your accelerations and decelerations. To let you know that we take about a snapshot every 100 milliseconds. So every 100 milliseconds, we take what energy is being used, add them in total, and over 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, or even 10 minutes, we have an understanding of how much energy is used at that period of time. Our next topic is actually going to be comparing your state of charge and why it's best to use state of charge algorithms instead of voltage calculations. So in our actual algorithm, we take a state of charge of what's being used in the battery pack itself and utilize that with a comparative table to the actual voltage. Like very many NMC-based batteries, you can tell or you can have a general understanding of your remaining capacity from voltage. But what we do is a secondary compound algorithm so that we can get a higher and more accurate range estimation for you guys. Voltage is a good algorithm in order to deduce state of charge, but not 100% accurate. Add that with Coulomb counting, and what we can do is we can compound our accuracy and have better range estimations for you as the customer. Please keep in mind that state of charge is purely an estimation, and we do our very best in order to calculate and to utilize Coulomb counting and lookup tables to get you the most accurate settings. But state of charge is also impacted by very many other factors, such as cold temperatures, extreme hot temperatures, elevations, weights, and all that. So please, as you ride your Evoque electric motorcycles more and more, you'll get a better understanding of your range limitations and how much you can push or ride, depending on the environmental factors. On our Evoque Urban series, what we have is actually a 10-step breakdown of state of charge. Each one is done in a semi-logarithmic fashion, so you'll have a better understanding or a very clear understanding of each bar representing about 10% on state of charge. When you get down to the 40% mark, you'll be automatically switched over to a power saving mode, either from Pro to City, and then at the 10% mark, we're going to kick you in automatically into Eco mode so that you are protected and you can make your way all the way home without running out of charge. Each time you charge your Evoque electric motorcycles, we'll actually automatically reset your state of charge so that that bar maintains full all the time. That state of charge meter will go right up to the top if you fully charged it and will give you an accurate reading for the rest of your ride. And it's important that once in a while you try to balance and calibrate by completely discharging the state of charge meter and then fully recharging immediately right after. And that will allow you their maximum range of capacity through the battery management system. Thank you very much for watching, and tune into our next series where we'll talk about our next topic to get you guys informed about Evoque electric motorcycle products. Thank you.